Alright, so let's go over some of these updates to the email system. So I think previously you may have been instructed to build your emails through this outbox page, which was previously the email campaigns page. There's now going to be a new recommended way to do this. Instead of using this compose email function to build an email, we'd recommend you now use the email templates page so that you can build your email through this create template system. So you'll be able to give it a name, a subject, and then build out the content of the email as per normal. And then you can come down here to send a test email. And so what I would recommend is that for all of these draft emails that you've composed, I would open them up and come down to the Save as Template button down here and convert them all into templates if you haven't already done so. And then once you've saved all of these drafts as templates, then I would just go ahead and remove all of these drafts. Now, when you are ready to send a template, if it's a one-off email, then you can come into the compose email, select your template, select your user group, and add any filters, and your email service. And then this one here is important as well, so attach to email campaign. So previously we were considering an email campaign to be a send out, but with the requirements of some of the automations, those email campaigns needed to be an ongoing thing rather than a one-off email. So we've now separated the email campaigns out into their own tab, and when you create a campaign, it's just a name and a description. So that's all the campaign really needs. But then when you send an email and you attach it to a campaign, you can attach multiple emails to the same campaign, and then you can see the stats for the combined emails that have been sent underneath that campaign. So yeah, for your one-off sends, you can send them through the outbox manually, but then for the automations, so you've built your template, and then you can click on one of these automate links, and that will open up the automations page, and then take you to the create new automation pop-up with that template pre-selected. And then you'll need to fill out the details of the automation, select your user group and any filters, your automation schedule, and if that automation needs to be under a campaign, then you should select that here as well. Cool. So hopefully that clears some things up and hasn't made it more confusing. But again, this is still a bit of a work in progress, so we are working to make this more usable and more intuitive. So if you do have any more suggestions, then please let us know, and we can endeavour to implement those.